Hello, this is Bob from the Adventures of Bob. I am here for the interview of Bob. I lived in India when I was younger, and I always got beat up in school, so I had a very bad life. I moved to Kentucky because that's where that's where the newscasting people are. And that's where I wanted to be. That's what I wanted to be. And I got married to Samantha the cat, which is at a meeting right now, and I can't show her. And then I got into the news crew. And that is Bob's interview from the Adventures of Bob.